Hey friends, if you wish to know how product key activation works and the fact that a lot of users are not able to activate the key and all, then please watch this video. So here's a very helpful tool. Go to the Microsoft Store and download this tool called ShowKey Plus. I don't usually recommend third-party tools, but this one is an exception because it is free, it is safe, and I use it a lot, and there is no alternative to this tool. The WMIC commands and everything do not work on every computer. They may work on a few computers, but not on each and every computer. So there are limitations. That's why I suggest downloading this tool. Now, once it is downloaded, click on Open. Wait till it has loaded. Okay, now check the type of key you have. Like, is it an OEM edition? If it's an OEM edition, then it would be bound to the computer which it came with. If this one doesn't work, you will have to contact Microsoft. If it is a retail key, then again it is either a single license one or a multiple license one. So if it is a single license one, it will be tied to the computer in which you used it earlier. You would have to format the earlier computer and then use it on the newer one. You cannot use the same key on two computers. And the last one is volume licensing. Don't go for these keys because they are tied to organizations. If your organization doesn't want it to work, then it will not work. So you need to have the right key. And what if you're not able to activate it? If it says that it's not activated. So we have something called as the activation troubleshooter. I'll try to find a screenshot for you. Okay, we can try the screenshot. Okay. So just click on this troubleshoot button in the activation window when you get the activation message, and this will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.